Okay, this is from the front end of the boat. Water tank is under there, 900 litres. There's your gas locker. That's your front door. Reinforced security lock. Come in, this is the lounge area. So you've got lounge, little office desk, looking back, lounge, reverse, multi-fuel wood burner. Okay, and you go, you see the blinds there. Okay, come into the kitchen area. Okay, clever use of space. Full drawers. Lots of storage. Again, clever use of space. More storage under there. Storage under here. Storage under there. Okay. Really nice gas hob. Gas oven with grill. Okay. Then you've got a dining area. Again, there's storage underneath here. This can move out and roll back. I'll show you there. Can actually fold back to make another bed. Again, storage underneath all these cabinets. You go through into the toilet. This is a fiberglass sealed wet room. Clever use of doors. So that shuts. That shuts. Then you have shower room. That's a cassette toilet. The sink tap also then doubles up as your shower. Okay, there's an extraction pump. Let's say this is a sealed fiberglass wet room unit, and then this goes through into a double bedroom. Excuse the mess, but we had a double bed in here, and it leaves 1.5 foot around the edge as a walkway. In here you have a combi boiler, which is excellent. Okay, you go through here, you've got wardrobe, and storage space under there. This is your electrics. Okay, and then this goes out into the back of the boat. Okay, canopy there. I'll show you there. Oh, and that's looking then back into the back bedroom.